Hi, my name is Benite Corion, and I am introducing Braids by B Inc., a highly sought out beauty salon specializing in braiding and dreadlock services. And we have found the perfect solution to clients with hair loss concerns. We have found the market niche for clients that has dreadlocks. That's right. They have dreadlocks, however, nobody has thought outside the box to help those clients who want natural looking hair. We solve the problem of loose, falling out locks, thinning locks, or balding areas, offering effective solutions through our reattachment, reinforcement, and hair unit creation services. We also address the desire for individuals to have dreadlocks by offering instant lock dread extensions, enabling them to achieve the desired look without needs for a lengthy natural hair growth process. With clients that's experiencing balding type 1 through type 5, what we've noticed is that these clients have known that they were already balding, so they had already started dreadlocks. And when they already started dreadlocks, or if they just want to start dreadlocks, they need to continue to get help for the middle areas and the edges that are not growing. And this is what we do. We provide the hair replacement options with 2 patents. Patents for products and services, methods developed since our establishment in 2011. We offer a unique value proposition that sets us apart from the rest. The target market for our Braids by B Beauty Salon comprises individuals who have natural dreadlocks or those who aspire to have professional, neat-looking dreadlocks. Our product and services are designed to cater to a specific needs of this target market. How we reach this target market, we do advertise and create ads on social media. We advertise through Reels and Facebook and Instagram, and this is how we're able to acquire our clients. The solution that we have created is called Instant Long Thread Extensions. That is our brand, and that is the name of the service as well as the product. It is a patented method for creating natural looking dreadlocks using a special technique in high quality hair extensions. It comes in multiple colors. We can make it in any shape, any size, any length. Customers can buy it in bundles or in dreadlocks. Our service process is very easy. We ask that you book a consultation so we can let you know your options. Once you know your options, you choose your option and you book your appointment for installation. Then we let you know how it is to style it as well as take care of it. Then the aftercare is we let you know that you have to come back for maintenance within 6 to 8 weeks to upkeep your maintenance for your new dreadlock. Remember, they are permanent. Our current business model initially is $150 for the consultation. Then the products and the service may cost anywhere from $900 to $20,000. Now remember, the reason the price range is so far apart is because it varies. Customers may want 20 dreadlocks or they may want 500 dreadlocks. So it varies. Our yearly revenue has reached over 200K, and we have 5,000 consistent customers. We've been to 12 states and 3 different countries offering our services. Our strength is that we own 2 patents, and we have taken the lead in being experts in dreadlocks repairs. Our weakness is that we are being imitated. There's crochet locks, and there's wigs, and there's synthetic hair that's being sold to do repairs, but it is nothing like ours that is being sold. Opportunities. We offer opportunities by coming in and seeing the market, seeing that there's $14.5 billion to be made by 2026, and there's over 35 million men and 21 million women suffering from hair loss. We just want to get 1.5 billion out of that. Our financial breakdown is we're asking for 25K. That will help us with our digital curriculum because we think that we have a great thing and we want to teach it to the hairstylists and hair enthusiasts as well as sell our curriculum to hair schools, as well as also use some of those funds to continue to brand our product and sell our product on Amazon, as we have an agent that's working with us now to list our product and our brand as our own brand. Our accomplishments today: we have been People's Choice as of 2018. We are certified SBE as CBE. We raised $80,000 since 2018, and we are Lauderhill Shine alumni. This is the team, me and my daughter. Thank you for helping us.